Hi everyone, this is Team Syntax Error, and for this hackathon, we decided to work on a digital records management for museums and historical sites for the preservation partners of the Fox Valley. To solve this problem, we decided to make a search engine which can search through audio, images, and text. The problem that our nonprofit is currently facing is the lack of organization in files and research sources. As such, it sometimes takes researchers a long time to find the information that they need. So let's talk about how we did that.
Our overall approach is the RAG approach, which is the retrieval augmented generation approach, in which we are using Kendra Index, which is an Amazon service of machine learning that helps us retrieve relevant information from our data sources that we pass as context using the LangChain framework via the large language model, which is a Jurassic model by AI21 Labs that generates the response and that we provide to our user. We also have the getSigned URL, which is an API that is used to upload to our data source, which is the S3 bucket, by using a pre-signed URL that helps maintain the security. And we can upload different type of data sets, including PDF, docs, files, and images and voice and video. For image extraction, we are using Amazon TextTrack, which is a machine learning service by Amazon. And for voice and video, we are using Amazon Transcribe, which is a service by Amazon, which is also a machine learning service. All of this data is stored in a data set, and we can even create attributes that can later on be synced with our Kendra index so that it has the most latest and most relevant information whenever someone is querying it. Let's see some code. This is our code. We are using a CDK to deploy the whole infrastructure. We are creating a Kendra index. We are creating different type of Lambda functions, and we are creating the APIs with their post request. For this, we have different Lambda functions in which we create the metadata required. This is to delete the object. This is to get signed print URL. This is the Kendra LangChain attribute that we are using. Here we are using Kendra LangChain A21 model. This is the Kendra sync one, and this is the text track, and this is the S3 list. We are using layers to add more. Thank you.
Here's how we met the judging criteria. Both the backend and the front end is fully documented, and the documentation is available on our GitHub repository itself. To secure our app, we decided to use OAuth instead of handling authentication ourselves, just because it's a lot more secure, and it also saved us a lot of time during the hackathon. Besides our authentication, our backend also uses the least amount of permissions required for all our IAM roles.